Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make one of my favorite dish from Johor Bahru. Somehow I can't really find this dish in KL. It is actually curry pork ribs, right? And the part of pork ribs they use is different from what you normally see outside. They normally use this part. Let me show you. So what is this part? You will notice this part is quite squarish. Of course, I asked them to cut it in squarish lah. But first of all, it is actually the top part of the spare ribs. It is called, they call it what, the 排骨头啊, yeah, the top part, yeah, the beginning of the ribs. And I got them to cut it into big chunks, yeah. This is how it is served in the Johor Bahru restaurant. It is big chunks. I'll be adding some potato as well, which you will notice the potato will also cut into chunks, which is of a similar size of the spare ribs. Then we are going to mix our curry powders. This is slightly more than 1 tablespoon. Yeah, this is slightly more than 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and around 1 tablespoon of normal meat curry powders. So all these 3 to 4, actually the most important is the chili, coriander, and also turmeric. This will give you curry powder. Then we have some chopped minced garlic, shallot, ginger, and also fresh coriander roots. We also have some minced tomato. And not forgetting my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Singapore. Yeah, this will give you chicken stock in 2 seconds. And it is of 100% nature. Yeah. And this is some coconut milk or coconut cream. Right, we are going to make the curry paste. Very easy. Just be generous with the oil. Yeah. Anything with curry, you want to be generous with the oil. And let's heat it up. So once the oil is heated up, we will put in the fresh herbs. I'm not adding the tomato first. I want to saute until the aroma of this fresh ingredient releases into the oil. Saute for a minute or two before I add in the tomato. We'll come back shortly. Ooh, super fragrant right now. Alright, now you start seeing some garlic started to brown. I'm going to add in the minced tomato. If you add in the minced tomato earlier, you won't manage to really get this fragrance from the garlic oil, yeah? Alright, next thing, I'm going to tune down the fire to very, very low heat first. Some of you may have already know what I'm going to do next. Yes, I am going to add in the curry powders, because curry powders, if it's too high heat, it can actually get burned very, very easily. So you want it to be very low heat, yeah? Then as you saute them, you can actually slowly raise the heat. Now I'm going to raise the heat to medium. Let me double check the angle. Alright, it's cool. Appa is also the videographer. This is why sometimes my curry powder gets chao ta. Because I need to keep on checking the angle, yeah? And the focus. I was taught to use a manual focus, yeah, for a few months ago when I attended some video shooting classes. And it works better, right? Really, it really works better. So you want to slowly saute your curry paste using low to medium heat for minimum 3 to 5 minutes at least. Keep on saute. We'll come back shortly. Alright, this is after about 3-4 minutes sauteing. I'm going to put in the marinated pork. So I actually marinated my pork with some light soya sauce earlier. So now you can mix everything nicely together. Sorry, it's keep on moving. So this is a induction cooker. Remember, if you start seeing some smoke coming out from your wok just now when you are sauteing your curry powder, you better lower the heat. Yeah, use medium-low heat seriously. If not, you will really chao da. Oh, almost forgot my potato. I don't have curry leaves today, so if you have, for those who have curry leaves, you can just add in, yeah. But still, it's going to taste really good. Don't worry. Let's add in some water. I'm using hot water here. So you want to make sure all the pork and also potato is nicely submerged under the broth. All really big chunks. I purposely requested the seller to cut for me this way. Let's give it some seasoning here. Some salt. Some of my cooking appa chicken stock powder. Some sugar. And we shall bring this to a boil first. So once it is boiling, I'm going to close the lid and tune down to medium and let it cook for minimum 25 to 30 minutes. So this is after simmering under medium-low heat for the past slightly over 20 minutes. The broth has actually reduced, curry broth has actually thickened up, and also the potato is already fully cooked. Yeah. So next thing, I am going to add in some coconut milk or coconut cream. I just add all. If I keep it also, I don't know what to use it for. Might as well use it all, yeah? Small packet. It will actually emulsify the curry straight away and give it some extra coconut flavor. So it's almost done. Basically what you need to do right now is just to use some salt and also sugar to adjust to taste. That's it. And when usually this curry, it is actually quite thick. That's why I did not dilute my coconut milk today. The coconut cream, yeah, I'm using coconut cream today actually, even thicker. And this curry is supposed to be quite thick. Right, let me have a taste. Wow, so super fragrant. I can taste the coconut, the curry, and of course the flavor. Yeah, the overall flavor, very good, perfect. So basically, it's ready to be served. All right, so here's my very simple but very yummy curry spare rib. Now, actually in Johor, they will actually serve using a clay pot. Very nice. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye-bye.